Hello guys, in this video I'm going to share 10 tips on how you can improve your coding learning curve. The first point I want to talk about is trying to embrace mistakes. A mistake is an opportunity. Once you make a mistake in coding, learn about that particular mistake. When you have time to do research, read books, watch videos on how you can sort out. It will be a step further in your coding journey. The second point is to improve on your coding skills. Always join communities, coding communities. There are a lot of communities out there. Join communities relevant to the language you are learning. If you're learning Python, join Python communities. The third point is if you want to learn how to code fast, teach others. Try to teach others. You'll find that as you teach, actually you'll be learning from your friends also. Some questions they are asking, you might find that some of those questions, if you're a student, might even be relevant when it comes to exams. You might find that some questions might even appear. And the fourth point is if you want to learn how to code faster, always check platforms like Stack Overflow. There are a lot of great questions there. See how people are answering those questions and try yourself. If the question has been answered, try to run the code and just to ensure that the question is relevant to you. The fifth point is you want to learn how to code fast. Always check other people's code, read through code and do some debugging. It's very, very important to debug other people's code. Then the sixth point is ensure that you install necessary interpreters on your system so that you can do some coding for yourself. Then the seventh point is as you are learning how to code, always work on small projects. You can do small projects like calculators, build small apps, websites. Number 8, ensure that you become practical. Do some coding even for 20 minutes every day. Coding is like mathematics. With math, you have to be practical. If you're not practical, you might think that you're learning, but you, at the end of the day, you find that you won't be able to do the coding. Just like when you're in class, you can understand the concepts, but if you're not doing what you're being taught, then you can lag behind. Then 9, always start with a simple language like Python. Python is a very easy language to learn. Once you learn a simple language, the concept is the same. You can learn Java, you can learn C++, you can learn PHP. All these the concepts is just the same. Then the 10th point is where we want to learn coding fast. Ensure that you know the purpose of your learning coding. Do you want to learn coding because you want to become a web developer? Do you want to learn coding because you want to become a machine learning expert? Do you want to learn coding because you want to build templates, or you want to build apps? Always know why you want to learn coding, because once you know the purpose, you're going to know which tools to focus on. Ensure that you have a laptop or a desktop computer where you can do some coding. This will help you to be practical. Thanks guys for watching.